In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use version control in GitHub Desktop. We'll walk through creating a new repository on your computer and making your first commit, all with a clear, click-based workflow. If you're new to version control, think of it as a safety net for your files. It tracks changes, helps you organize your work, and makes it easy to understand what changed and when. Start by opening GitHub Desktop on your computer. Once the app is open, look to the top menu bar and select File. From that menu, choose New Repository. This tells GitHub Desktop you want to start tracking a folder of code or project files on your machine. A setup window appears. Give your repository a clear, memorable name. Short, descriptive names work best and avoid spaces if possible. In the description field, add a brief note about what the project is or what it contains. This is optional, but it's extremely helpful later when you return to the project or share it. Next, choose the local path. This is the folder on your computer where the repository will live. You can point to an empty folder if you're starting fresh, or choose a folder that already contains files you want to track. If you're using an existing folder, make sure it only includes files related to this project to keep your history focused and clean. Now pick a git ignore template. A .git ignore tells Git which files to skip, such as build artifacts, environment files, or system clutter. Select a template that matches your language or framework like Node, Python, or Unity, so you don't accidentally commit generated files. Choose a license if you plan to share your project publicly. Popular choices include MIT for permissive use or Apache 2.0 for more formal protections. If you're unsure or staying private, you can leave it as none for now. When everything looks right, click Create Repository. After creation, you'll land in the Changes view. This is where you review what's different in your project since the last snapshot. Select or deselect files to control what goes into this commit. Add a concise summary that explains the change, like initialize project structure or add README and configuration. A longer description is optional but helpful for context. When you're satisfied, click Commit to capture those changes in your project history. That's it. You've set up a repository, configured the essentials, and made a clean, documented commit using GitHub Desktop.